What's up guys, welcome to our channel eTechniz. In this video we will talk about download WinRAR in Windows 11, or we can say how to download and install WinRAR on Windows 11. We will show you all the steps you have to follow, so stay tuned and watch the complete video. Before going further, do not forget to click on subscribe button, select all to the bell notification, give a thumbs up if you like this video and leave your feedback in the comment section. To download the WinRAR on Windows 11, open any browser you have like Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, any browser. Do a right click, click on open. On the search bar you can simply type download WinRAR Windows 11 and press enter. You'll see WinRAR download latest version. You can click on this one and you'll be on this page, download WinRAR. So simply click on this WinRAR 6.02 English 64-bit version, or you can check other information as well from the latest WinRAR versions in here. As you can see, all the sizes and platform, you can see that. If you want to change the language, then you can change it from here. If you want to change the version, you can change it from here. The platform, you can change it from here. The architecture, 32-bit or 64-bit, you can change it from here. Simply click on this one. As I have a 64-bit operating system, that's why it's showing 64-bit WinRAR. Click on it and open it. Click on yes. Let me close Chrome browser, and here you have to select the destination folder. You can simply click on browse and select your drive, or you can leave it as it is in the C drive. If you would like to save all of these files on your D drive, then you can simply click on browse and you'll be on this page. Click on this PC and from here you can select your drive. As I have a C drive on my Windows 11 PC, so I'm leaving it as it is. Click on install. Here's a file format. You can select this one as well. If you want to leave these options as it is, then you can leave all these options as it is checked. If you like to add ISO file as well, you can check this one, or the jar file as well, then you can check this one, or I would suggest to leave it as it is recommended. Click on OK. Click on done. Alright, here you have WinRAR shortcut. Do a right click. Select show more options. Here click on send to, click on desktop. If you would like to make this WinRAR icon as your desktop icon, then you can select this desktop shortcut, or if you do not want to make WinRAR as your desktop icon, then you can simply delete this one, because whenever you download any WinRAR file or any zip file, it's gonna automatically show up on your PC that it's converted to WinRAR. So that's how you have to download WinRAR in Windows 11, and after downloading, this is the thing which you have to do as I have suggested in this video to install WinRAR. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Meet you in the next video.